Hello beautiful people of the internet, my name is Amethyst. I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. I am so glad that you are here. So if you are new to my channel, I am a low-income cash envelope stuffing budgeter. I am on an unknown destination journey to pay off my small amount of debt at the age of 21. I'm coming on 22 very soon, and just enjoying the experience of learning how to budget my money properly and become more financially stable. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, whether that be to follow along my journey or to maybe get some insight on how you can proceed with your own, then definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, it's going to be a lot of information, a lot of things going on. Maybe give it a like and comment down below what you enjoyed about it, or if there's any insights that you would like to share on your own journey. I'm more than happy to listen. So that's for the intro today. Today's video is a lot, like I said, so we've got a package up here. So I'm going to do another unboxing for my nails. I haven't done one in a bit, and I am just super excited for this set, so I want to unbox it with you guys. We're going to do a little bit of stuffing into my savings challenge. We're going to adjust some of my envelopes. We're going to adjust my spreadsheet. There's going to be a lot going on in today's video. Definitely check out the cards. Sorry, not the cards, the timeline. If you're someone who likes to skip around, don't feel free to put this video on 1.5 speed. Whatever makes it work for you is what works for me. So we're gonna start with nails because that way we can have beautiful nails for the rest of the video. So these are from a lovely shop owner. Her name is Leslie, and her shop is called Ballerina in Stilettos. You can find her off Etsy, and I have opened the package, but I haven't opened the items yet, so let's dive in. I'm really excited for today's video. That was not from her. She didn't send me that money. She gave me some stickers this time. I'm super excited for this. So she usually gives some candies. These are my favorite, these watermelon Jolly Rancher lollipops, and they're hearts, which is I'm all about pink, hearts, purple, all that jazz. And then we got these super adorable stickers right here. These are perfect because upcoming is spring and summer, so they kind of have that vibe to them. So thank you, Leslie, for the little extras. And I did get 2 sets of nails today, so we have 2 sets in this little packaging. And then we have this beautiful package. She hasn't packaged them like this before, and Leslie, you outdid yourself. This is so unbelievably beautiful. So we're gonna just dive right into this, and look at how stinking cute this is. It's like opening a present. It kind of is actually that. And oh my gosh, look at how stinking beautiful these are. So we've got lemons on the top row, and then these beautiful flowers. They remind me a little bit of watercolor. So she's doing a collection right now of a bunch of different fruits and things, and then this is a little side set that she created. Oh my god, I love that you have a clear one here and then the white here. Ugh, just so beautiful, and the flowers are amazing. They look like little artwork, so definitely in love with that. Now I have to pick which one I want to do first. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna save the lemons for when it's a little bit warmer out. So we're gonna do these ones today. And you already know the process. If you wanna know why I do what I do, then check out the link down below, or look on my page. You'll see a video of me going in depth how I do my press-on nails. Okay, isn't it crazy what 15 minutes of time and an affordable set of nails can do? I am seriously in love with these. So a little story time for today. So in order to finalize being a South Carolina resident, I had to make sure that my property taxes were paid on my car. So I went to the treasurer, I did that, and then I went to the DMV to get my license plate, the literal plate, and it turns out I forgot that, remember back when I got robbed, my car was broken into. There was a big story time about it on my page from forever ago. turns out my title was stolen. Sorry, I'm out of breath because like I just ran up and down the stairs. Give me 1 second. So my title was stolen in that whole thing, and I forgot about that. So she was asking me for my title, and I was giving her my registration, not realizing that they were two separate things. And then I realized what was going on. She realized what was going on, and basically I had to call Florida's DMV, and I have to get the title sent back to me. In order to do that, I have to send them some mail, and then they're gonna snail mail me, like 15 business days, my title saying that I own my vehicle. And then from there, I go back to the DMV and get my plates. So that's what happened today. And also I got my tax information back finally. So basically, turns out I did not owe taxes this year. So I really underestimated how well my tax guy was, because I really thought that I was gonna owe taxes on what I earned last year. But because I had some refund left over, and because I guess I invested a little bit more into my business, so I had a lot more expenses than typical, I did not owe anything. So what that meant was I went into my tax folder this morning when I went to go to the DMV, and I removed the cash. So I didn't remove the fake bills from any accounts. I paid hard cold cash. And then you also saw me put some money into this stack right here. So that was $200. Someone owed me money still from forever ago, and that was the final bit of money that was owed to me. So finally we got that done, and now I have that money to stuff or pay off bills or whatever. This money is the money that is online for my taxes, so 250 of this is getting removed because that's what I paid my tax guy. So I'm gonna do that right now. 250, and I decided to leave the rest in here. The reason being is I still owe taxes next year, so I don't feel the need to like take this money and put it elsewhere. As I say that, I just realized that I actually did that with this money here. Let me remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this money will, in theory, go into taxes. But what I decided to do is not just make this taxes based off of like the money that I made, but also taxes like when I have to go pay for my vehicle tag. So when I get my new license plate, I'm going to dip into this in order to pay for that. So that's what's happening here. Taxes is no longer just like my return at the end of the year, but if I need to pay property tax or renew my registration, things like that, we're going to be dipping into this. So 30% always, but looking at how my taxes went this year, I think 30% should cover all of my fees throughout the year and my taxes at the end of the year. So that's what we have there. So let's go into my tablet and see where we're at on our little to-do list for the night. Also, I am filming this at night, which is not typical for me. I'm usually filming more like midday. So I brought out my light again. So yeah, that's exciting. So we have my nails done. I just explained the taxes situation. So that is all done. And let's see. So the spreadsheet envelopes, we're going to do a little bit of a challenge. I'm going to talk about my rats real quick. So, one of my little babies has pneumonia, or had pneumonia. I didn't say anything because I just wanted to keep that private until I was sure what was going on. We did a round of antibiotics. I gave both of them antibiotics morning and night, and they are both fine. So we had a vet visit today, and the vet said that there are no weird tremors in her lungs or liquid in her lungs, which is the sign of pneumonia. So she should be all better. She is sneezing a tiny bit, but he said that that is not really anything too serious to worry about. Just keep an eye on it and bring her back in if it seems to get worse. So I'm really proud of my little babies for pushing through. With rats, respiratory issues is their #1 cause of death. So I was really nervous when he said she had pneumonia. That usually is like the end for them. And they're less than 2 months old. So I was like heartbroken when I heard that. So I'm very happy that she has made a full recovery and they're doing really well. So yeah, there's that. Also, it was $60 for the vet visit and for the antibiotics. So that's all that I had to pay. And let's get into the spreadsheet. Let's update that. So I have my laptop here, and I'm gonna see if I can change the angle of the camera because we're gonna show you guys kind of my screen and what's gonna be happening. So I am gonna adjust my spreadsheet, which is my paycheck breakdown. You can actually get it on my Etsy. It's gonna be blank when you purchase it, but this is gonna be my customized version. Okay, so we are here. Also, I wanted to share that I have gotten off of TikTok. It was just, it got really toxic, if I'm being completely honest. The environment was not good for my mental health, and I just found myself feeling just really bad all of the time. And every time I would go on to the app, like I just felt bad. So yeah, I got off. Okay, so I decided to speed past this because I actually edited this so much after this video that it was like pointless for me showing you guys what I did. Like, I seriously edited this, and you're gonna see it in the next video. I also adjusted a lot of my binders, adding in like different envelopes and things. So yeah, it was kind of pointless showing you, but I just wanted to show you what I was doing last night, kind of like a budget vlog, if you will. So we did that, and we updated all of our envelopes. Also, yeah, you guys can see my password. I really don't care. I don't think that you guys are the people I'm worried about finding my tablet anyways. So we have my spreadsheet is updated. We've just updated my envelopes. And now let's do a little bit of my challenge. So if you guys remember, I used to be doing the Tara Box challenge, which is, I believe, I had the 52 envelope one. I have removed all of the cash that I was using for that. I washed it, I ironed it, and here we have it. We've got some 5s and some singles and a 2. So this money is going to be used for my savings challenge. So what I'm going to do for my savings is basically the idea or goal is to take 10% of each paycheck, each weekly paycheck, like totaled, and set that aside for my savings challenges, just to make my challenges like a little bit, it makes them more fun to save, right? And eventually, hopefully I'll have enough to where I can do multiple challenges at one time. So this box right here is the one that I got from Tara. The boxes that you will receive if you purchase this from me are going to look like this, so it doesn't have like these side pieces here, and they're gonna have that clear lid here. So they're pretty similar. This one is a little bit smaller, or if you want to pay a little extra, you can get the 2-tiered desk drawer, and you can put like your unused envelopes in here, and then the ones that are stuffed on the bottom, until eventually you need to use both because they will get kind of large. So we're gonna go into here and pull out some random ones. This is my personal deck because there are some errors in it. I already have stuffed one of them. See, like this one I didn't even finish cutting, and some of them are cut like way too short. So yeah, so here we go. We have 4. I'm going to use the 2 to count for this one. And I'm going to pull out 3 envelopes today, because why not? So the thing that I love the most about this challenge is that you've got the little pocket inside of the card, so that way you can save your money like right there. So we have that. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we're going to go over to this side for the 5s. We got a $5 bill for the $5. And for this round, I am not going to add extra rules to the suits. So like next time I do this challenge, I want to have it where like if I pull out a heart, I grab an extra card because it's like extra life, so you grab an extra card. If I pull out like say a club, maybe I double it, say, or like a spade or a diamond. So yeah, I'm gonna make up some little rules for myself to follow the next time I do this challenge. Here we have the 5s. But for right now, I am trying to just do what I can with my low income. So this is what we've got. And again, 10% of each paycheck, so hopefully I'll be able to do this every paycheck in the future. So yeah, I'm in love. I really am. I really love the way that these turned out. I'm really happy with them. There are a ton of different colors, so if you want that, you can go check it out on my Etsy. It will be linked down below. So yeah, I'm gonna assume it was from the challenge. We're gonna put that in here. And like, yeah, so I'm gonna have just a bunch of cash in this little folder right here, and then just continuously stuff it into this challenge, eventually add on other challenges from other Etsy shops so I can support my other girls. So that's what we have over here. This money right here is going to be put towards a cash stuffing the upcoming this week. I'm going to be doing a digital and cash stuffing. I decided that my bills are going to be staying online from here on out because it's just a lot easier for me than making so many trips to the bank, especially because my bank is in Sparcity based off of where I live now. So because of that, we're going to be doing some fake bill stuffing from here on out. So I'm pretty sure I covered everything I wanted to cover. I know today's video was kind of random, but I enjoyed it nonetheless, and I hope that you did too. Yeah, I think I talked about everything I wanted to talk about. Yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much. If you're stuck till the end of this video, then you are one of my favorite people, like genuinely. I appreciate you so much, so much. And let me know, how about this? Let me know in the comments if you were one of the people who stuck around to the very end. So we usually do a purple heart, right? You know what? Let's stick with it. Let's do the purple heart today. Leave a little purple heart in your comment. Let me know that you're out here supporting me. I really appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I do plan on doing some giveaways in the very near future. No, I have not earned enough to get paid from YouTube yet, but I don't even care. I'm going to figure out a way to give you guys some gratitude. Well, what would that be called? Just like show you guys how much I'm grateful for y'all watching and sticking around, because I love y'all and it really means a lot, especially all of your like really kind comments. There are some of you guys that are here all the time and always commenting, and I feel blessed for you guys. So thank you so much. I'm gonna stop rambling. That's all that I had for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!